Ornamental fish farming is a profitable business. And any individual can start this business home-based. Keeping aquarium fish is one of the oldest and most popular hobbies in the world. Determine whether you want to initiate a breeding and rearing farm, or only a rearing farm. Then select the fish species. According to the local demand, select the fish carefully. However, you can also initiate a fully export-oriented fish farm. For that, you must depend on the international market demand. Most of the ornamental fishes cultured and marketed are exotic species. Some of the most popular ornamental fish species are molly, guppy, platy, swordtail, blue gourami, pearl gourami, rosy barb, goldfish, S-fighter, angel, etc. First of all, you must fix the location. You can start in your backyard. Generally, you can use cement tanks. Cement tanks are easy to maintain and durable. The size of the tanks varies according to space, the number, and the type of fish culture. Generally, small tanks are used for growing fish fingerlings. And you can use a large tank or pond for rearing big fish. You can stock one species in one tank. However, in the case of compatible species, 2 or 3 species can occupy the same tank. The fishes reach marketable size in around 4 to 6 months. You can harvest 8 to 10 crops in a year. Oxygen should be applied in containers while selling or transferring fish. Glass tanks of varying sizes are required for breeding. You can use small glass bottles of 250 milliliters for keeping individual male fighter fish. An overhead tank of a suitable size for storing and enabling sedimentation of water is required. Deep tube wells are the best source of water. Groundwater from dug wells, or deep tube wells, or bore wells, is the best for rearing fish. Works should be designed in such a way that the tanks get filtered sunlight. A blower pump with a network of tubes for aeration is a must. Additionally, you must ensure a continuous power supply. Young fish are fed mainly with Infusoria, Artemia, Daphnia, mosquito larvae tubifex, and bloodworms. For rearing, you can use formulated artificial or prepared feed. However, try to develop a feed that has a low polluting effect, cheap to prepare, and is easy to store.